my beautiful day weather app update video for week 3. We have made immense progress and we are almost to the finish line. Since the last update video, I have implemented a search bar so you can search your location. As you can see, if we type in Atlanta here and we want to search Atlanta, that pops up. If you want to search up Seattle, that pops up. Sometimes it takes a little bit for the background to load, but then it does load. I'll see if I can make an like a loading screen maybe. Um, maybe not. That's not necessary, but if I choose to go back and do that, then I can. Um, from since last time, the sunrise and sunset times have been fixed, but it's weird when it comes to East Coast and West Coast. East Coast is fine, West Coast is not fine. I'm gonna have like a time zone offset thing to correct that, and I have to fix my high temperature and low temperature. And there is an on-click function where you click the location and then it switches to your current location that I wanted to implement. Um, I'm figuring out how to do that. I'm not sure quite how to do that yet, but I'm working on that. I'll show the code for that in a second. I have implemented a 5-day weather forecast. So I have a weekly forecast down here that I can format this better. Also, I can use a different um, retrieval method to get this in a better format. I also have the hourly forecast, which I wanted to change up a lot because it looks not as good as I want to. Also goes, it's a 1 hour forecast for like 3 to 5 days, which I don't need. I just need 24 hours of this one location. So I'm going to try to fix that as well. This weather app is looking so far with this update. So we have the weekly, hourly, current search bar, an on-click function, and we're going to stop this now so I can show the actual code for it. Trying to keep this video kind of short. I don't want it to take up too much time. So I'm trying to work on my location service features, which is what permissions it's asking for. The program actually will ask you for permissions to your location. It already had it, so it didn't ask me, but it has permission to access locate. It asked for permission to do that. I just needed to be able to activate my on-click function. I have two more API interfaces, and virtual instances and base URLs because I'm trying to do different things. Like as you'll see, I'm trying to get I want to get their geocode and then turn that geocode into variables that I can pass to another method for get weather data. This right here, I want it to pass to this. I should change that to long. I want it to pass to this and then give me the location, then it gives the correct weather for that area. I'm working on that still. As you can see, I have things commented out from different things I've tried. Um, I'm trying a lot of different things right now. Trying to get location to work better. I have different methods that are in here that I haven't uncommented because I'm still trying things out when it comes to that aspect of this program. But overall, that's kind of like extra. It doesn't really need to be implemented, but I wanted it to be an extra feature, you know. But for my main focuses and what I really wanted to do, it's really coming along. Um, of what I need to be done, I'm gonna work on having on clicks for the data and having graphs come up. That's where Tableau will come in. Um, And honestly, that's pretty much it. This project is nearing completion, and I need to make it look prettier. That's for my sake. That's for my sake. I want it to look better. I want it to look a lot better. Um, and I want to add some extra things in that aren't necessary, but just for my own sake. But this project is nearing completion. Um, there's not much left to do besides um, getting the on clicks for the little what the data is in graphs, but that should be quick. If it's not, then I can change something. But this project is really coming along, um, and it's looking pretty good. Oh, also these are data classes and data models for where I'm getting data from, um, and it's all looking pretty good. I will probably cut some of these out because I have access to a new one call feature in my API that can give me everything that I need from here with just well, one call. So I might take some of these out for to optimize the app more, but other than that, it's looking really good and they've made solid progress.